Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're looking at the area of circles, and we're dealing again with our old friend pi, which is roughly 3.14, if I can write that correctly, 3.14, very roughly, or a button on your calculator, as I keep saying. And the area of a circle is it's an easy formula. It's one of those formulas that you're expected to remember. And this is it. Area is equal to pi times r squared. R is the radius, and a radius is a line that runs from the center of a circle out to the edge of that circle. And if it runs from the center of the circle, wherever you draw it, it's always the same value. Now, in this circle, we've got a radius of 5. So the area of this circle is equal to pi times 5 squared, which equals 25 pi, which equals 25 times 3.14 approximately. And I have to get out the calculator for that. It's pretty easy to do on a calculator. It's roughly 78.5. We'll make this centimeters, so centimeters squared. We always measure area in square units, even though if you try to draw a square up here, good luck. But area is measured in square units. So let's just run through that again quickly, because that went pretty fast. The area of a circle is found using a formula which involves pi, which hopefully you've seen before, times the radius squared. So if the radius is 5, as it is here, 5 squared is 25. It's going to be 25 times pi, which I've approximated to 3.14, and that is a rough approximation, which gives us 78.5 centimeters squared. Okay, nice and simple, I hope. Now, what happens when instead of a radius, the information that you have involves a diameter? And here we'll say that the diameter is 10. So it's 10 from edge to edge going through the center of the circle. Well, what you do is you have this number because we want a radius. So the radius here is 5, and we're back to a calculation that looks like this. That was a bit of time saving. So the story is that if you don't have a radius, but in fact you've got a diameter, you have the diameter in order to do this calculation. And try and remember that this is different to circumference. Circumference is just the length around the circle, the perimeter of it, if you wish that. And it's got a slightly different formula, but it does involve pi. Pi pops up in a whole pile of places. It pops up in parts of circles. It pops up in spheres and so forth. If you continue with this channel, we'll get into that. Anyway, for the moment, we just want to look very simply at the area of a circle. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.